Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future. 2026 is not just another year. It is a turning point. A year where artificial intelligence is no longer reserved for big tech companies, coders, or billion-dollar startups. In 2026, AI belongs to beginners, to students, to ordinary people who are ready to take action. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need millions of dollars. You only need clarity, creativity, and courage. Today, I will share with you 5 of the best AI business ideas for beginners in 2026, ideas that are practical, affordable, and designed for people starting from zero. Let's begin. 1. AI Content Creation Agency. Content is the currency of the internet. And in 2026, content is powered by AI. Businesses, creators, and brands need videos, blogs, ads, reels, emails, and social media posts every single day. But most of them don't have time, skills, or consistency. This is where beginners win. With AI tools, you can start an AI content creation agency that offers social media posts, YouTube scripts, blog articles, email newsletters, ad copies, short-form video scripts. You don't create everything manually. AI does the heavy lifting. Your role is to understand the client's need, use the right AI tools, refine the output, and deliver value. Startup cost? Almost zero. Skills required? Basic writing and creativity. Demand in 2026? Extremely high. This business rewards speed, clarity, and consistency, not technical complexity. 2. AI automation services for small businesses. In 2026, small businesses are overwhelmed. They receive messages, emails, leads, bookings, and customer questions every day. And most of it can be automated with AI. As a beginner, you can start an AI automation service helping businesses. Set up AI chatbots for WhatsApp and websites. Automate customer support replies. Automate appointment bookings. Automate lead follow-ups. Automate internal workflows. You don't need to build AI from scratch. You simply connect existing AI tools to solve real problems. Small businesses don't want AI. They want time and peace of mind. And they are willing to pay monthly for it. This business is powerful because once set up, it creates recurring income. 3. AI-powered online coaching and consulting. In 2026, people don't just want information, they want guidance. If you have knowledge in fitness, education, career guidance, language learning, personal finance, productivity, mental wellness, you can combine your knowledge with AI and start an AI-powered coaching or consulting business. AI helps you create personalized plans, track progress, generate reports, answer routine questions, scale your services. Instead of coaching 10 people, you can coach 100 or 1,000 people using AI as your assistant. This business proves one truth. You don't need to know everything. You just need to guide people one step ahead. 4. AI design and branding services. Design is no longer limited to designers. In 2026, AI can create logos, brand identities, thumbnails, social media graphics, product mockups, presentations. Many startups, YouTubers, coaches, and online stores need fast and affordable design. As a beginner, you can start an AI design and branding service where you understand the client's vision, use AI tools to generate designs, customize and refine the output, deliver professional branding quickly. Clients don't care how you create it. They care about speed, quality, and clarity. This is a perfect business for creative beginners who want visible results and quick payments. 5. AI education and prompt services. Here is the truth about 2026. Most people still don't know how to use AI properly. They don't know what prompts to use, which tools to choose, how to apply AI to their work or business. This creates a massive opportunity. You can build a business by teaching AI basics, selling prompt packs, creating AI workflows, offering AI setup consultations, training teams and individuals. You don't need to be an AI expert. You only need to be one step ahead of your audience. Education is timeless, and AI education in 2026 is gold. Final message. Let me leave you with this powerful truth. AI will not replace beginners. Beginners who use AI will replace those who don't. 2026 rewards. Action over perfection. Learning over fear. Execution over excuses. You don't need the best idea. You need the first step. Choose one idea. Start small. Learn fast. Improve daily. Because in 2026, the future is not automated. The future is created by those who use AI wisely. Thank you.